Hello, today we will guide you through how to claim Facebook Ad Coupon I Facebook Ad Credit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Meta Business Suite and how to redeem an ad credit so it can be applied to your future ad spend. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the right business and have permission to manage billing on the ad account where you want to use the credit. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. If you manage multiple businesses or ad accounts, double-check you're in the correct one, since ad credits are tied to a specific account and can't be moved once claimed. From the left-hand menu, open Ads Manager. This is your hub for campaigns, but it also links to your billing settings. Once Ads Manager loads, look for billing and payments in the navigation. This takes you to the Billing Hub, where you can see payment activity and manage how you pay for ads. In Billing, go to Payment Methods. This is where your primary payment source lives and where you'll add an ad credit. Click Add Payment Method. A panel will appear with options. Choose Ad Credit. If you don't see this option, it usually means your account isn't currently eligible for a credit or the feature isn't available in your region or role. Select Ad Credit and click Next. You'll now see a field to enter your coupon or voucher. Carefully type or paste your code exactly as provided. Avoid leading or trailing spaces and be sure you're entering it on the correct ad account and in the intended currency. Many credits have eligibility rules, expiration dates, and sometimes minimum spend requirements, so it helps to review any terms that came with your code before you proceed. When the code is in, click Claim. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation showing the credit amount and when it expires. If it doesn't work, common reasons include an expired or already redeemed code, a mismatch with your account's country or currency, or insufficient permissions on the account. Switching to a supported browser, turning off ad blockers, refreshing the page, or verifying your role on the ad account can resolve many issues. Once claimed, the ad credit will appear under Payment Methods and will be used automatically before your primary payment source until it's fully spent or expires. It applies to future charges and won't retroactively discount past spending. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Meta Business Suite, opened Ads Manager, managed billing, and claimed your ad credit. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.